Hey Cisco. Hey Armando. What you doing? Hey guys. A little excitement today here. A little snow in March, late March. And here we are in the barn. Got a little excitement going on here as our cat lady's bringing some more barn cats. And here they come. Here's our cat lady Nancy.
Oh dear. Are you doing a filming?
I'm YouTubing you.
Oh, wonderful. Well, there, you want to YouTube them.
There's our kitties. Look at them. Hi, kitty. Here's one. Hello. We're going to get them used to the getting in the barn here. The llamas are all watching, wondering what's going on. Hi, Uber. What are they doing, huh? What's going on there? Let's see what happens here. You got an audience out there for sure.
You're still doing this. You can stop anytime now.